Hello, this is Ben from Outward Bound UAE. Today's video we're going to show you how to fix a broken tent pole. First thing we're going to need to do is to get the old elastic out. It's probably already broken, so all I'm going to do is just pull it out, just like that. As an alternative, if you can't just pull the elastic out of one end, you can use your wire to pick inside and pull the elastic out. The next step is to get yourself a piece of wire. Looks a little bit like this, and all I've done is twist the end so that it has a little bit of a loop in there. You can take your elastic and you're going to thread it through the end of your wire to connect the two like this, just like you would with a needle and a thread. Make it look a bit like this. From here, you're going to get your tent poles and you're going to start to thread your piece of wire up through the tent pole until you can pull it out the top, just like this, until your elastic comes all the way out the other end and we can pull it through. That's your first piece done. We need to make sure that the two ends are going to match up so that you don't have opposite parts attached. You get it the right way up and you thread your next tent pole onto the wire. There we go. And repeat this step until you've got all of your tent poles threaded onto your piece of elastic. Once you've pulled the other end of the elastic through, we need to tie it off so it doesn't go anywhere. This bit, not too important what sort of knots we use, but it does matter that the knot is really big. Big old knot like that. Once we've pulled that big knot and it's stopped the elastic from going through the end of the tent pole, you're going to find the other end of the elastic, the other end of the tent pole, and we're just going to pull it a little bit just to make it tight. And from here, we're going to cut that section just there. On this part, make sure that you keep hold of the piece of elastic that goes through the tent pole so you don't have to restart when you lose the elastic through there. The same thing goes with this end. We're going to tie a knot. It doesn't matter what sort of knot we tie. And there we go. Nice big knot on that end as well. And that sits nicely in the end of the pole. And there we have tent pole all fixed, ready to go back into your tent.